How to create opacity transitions in CapCut PC. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorial videos that we drop every week. And if you have a question for me, drop it in the comments. I'll make sure I try my best to answer them all. Let's get into the video. Drag the first video you want to work with onto your timeline. Once you have that done, take your playhead to where you want the transition to start from. Once your playhead is there, go to the top right of your CapCut PC screen where you can see video, and under it basic. Scroll down to where you can see blend, and under blend your opacity slider. Next to your opacity slider, click on the diamond icon for the keyframe, and you see your keyframe side highlighted, and your keyframe marker will show on your video on the timeline. Now this is a tip for you. After seeing the keyframe marker on your video on the timeline, ensure you press M on your keyboard so that you can mark that particular place, and you are going to see why later on in the video. I've put the marker on where the keyframe marker is over here. After pressing M on my keyboard, take your playhead to where the video ends. Go to the top right of your CapCut PC screen again and reduce the opacity slider to 0. And the opacity keyframe has been set on the video. Now take your second video and put it exactly on the marker you put on the first video. Because as you can see, the keyframe markers go out when you are dragging the second video on, or when the first video is not highlighted. So that is what the marker was for, stated earlier in the video. Now take your playhead to the beginning of the second video. Go to the top right of your CapCut PC screen again. Scroll down to blend and set the keyframe for the second video. After setting the keyframe, drag your opacity slider from 100 to 0. Take the playhead to the end of the first video. Go to the top right of your CapCut PC screen again and take the opacity slider from 0 to 100. Let's play to check your opacity transition out.